Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Maybelline foundation review. So another drugstore foundation review for you guys who are all keen on getting some drugstore good foundation. Last one was amazing and this one is slightly opposite finish of that. This is a dewy finish and I'm quite excited because this is none other than the Fit Me range and this is the Dewy plus Smooth range. Everyone knows about their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, but do we know about this? We'll find out how this one is. So let me get started with my introduction first about my skin, how it is these days. Now this time of the year my skin is slightly combination too oily, not oily like totally oily. It is not very friendly to the dewy finishes. So this one says it's for normal to dry skin, which I'm not, totally I'm not. So it's gonna be challenging. It says it hydrates, smooths, dry skin texture, and the natural luminous finish is what it gives. So we shall see if this is true and if it's long wearing. And it has SPF 18, which is great for on the go day wear, and it is in the shade 120, which is slightly brown undertones to my skin tone. I like the 115 in Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, but I've heard the 115 in this is slightly more pinker, so I'm glad I got this from Influencer. Little bit, hopefully not a lot of that comes out. It is the same packaging without any pumps, so everyone knows the Fit Me doesn't come up with a pump, so it is not having a pump either. On the left part of my face I'm gonna use a Sigma F8T brush, and on the right part I'm gonna use the sponge. So right off the bat I can tell you it is very luminous, just as what it says. I'm gonna take it under my neck also, and slightly dewy for oily skin girls. So but I like how it feels, like it feels very luminous. On the right part obviously a sponge. One thing that I'm noticing that it is so easy to spread this, being a very luminous, very dewy foundation. It is so easy to glide it on top without it being settling into any lines sort of things. So I'm quite happy with it initially, how it applies with both of these. Now let me see up close if I see some differences. Now obviously I have to go a little bit inside my eyes and all. Now I feel that it is moving. Like if I touch my finger it's gonna move because the finish says that already. The coverage is similar in both, I can tell that, but I like the brush side more. It is more settled. It's slightly more dewier to my taste. So now I'm gonna set it with the earspun powder all on my face and do my right makeup routine, and I will let you guys know by the end of the day and do some check-ins and let you guys know how I feel about this one. Stay tuned. So guys, this is me after 3 hours of wear of foundation, and now guys I see totally a very dewy finished foundation on my face. It's very natural looking. If somebody sees me from far they can't tell, because so one thing I like about a dewy finish is that a highlighter and a blush, anything powdery you applying on top, sits on top of the foundation so well, especially the highlighter. It just pops with a single swipe. That is what happened today. I did feel the difference between a matte foundation and kind of the foundation I'm wearing. So I really like how it is sitting on my face, and I think this will be so good for dry skin, and for my combination skin it is not bad at all guys. I just love it as much as I love the Matte Plus Poreless, and I think this will be for days I want a dewy finish, some natural finish, a nice glowy photo, you know, look for my shoot. I will definitely wear it someday soon, so please ignore the mess I have on my head. I have a really oily head today, especially because I have to wash my hair tomorrow and I delayed it for this week, and normally I had to wash it yesterday but I delayed it. So anyways, just don't mind that. And I really like the foundation for now, and I'm quite happy about the results for now, and I will update you in my last check-in soon. Stay tuned. This is my last check-in, and Just look at the foundation, it looks so flawless and dewy. I do believe if I have to wear it for longer than like 5 to 6 hours outside my home, it is slightly too dewy, like too dewy for a summery hot day. But indoor, if you are doing some shoots indoor and you have air conditioner all the time, then I don't think so. If you are oily skin, you won't like this. I think this will be so good. Not sure about very humid days like in the June, July, when there is like a lot of rainy season going on here, or for this time of the year in Mumbai and other areas where there is a lot of humidity. I don't know if this will slide off, but for now, after my powder and everything, it is not moving. It felt like it will move so easily, but it is not moving after powder. So I really like the highlighter, how it looks on top. The concealer also went on top very easily. So I'm really happy with the foundation. I will give this foundation like an 8.5 on 10 for my skin type, and I think for a dry skin it would be like 9.2, 9.5 at least. For the price, for the coverage it gives, for the availability thing, obviously in India it's like slightly not it's slightly difficult to find right now, but it will be soon available, I think, in all the stores. Then you can grab it, guys. I think this is a great foundation for dry skin girls, and the coverage, everything is very nice. And stay wise, it is blowing my mind because I thought it will just move around my nose. Just gonna see it again really from the close. It is not moving on my oiliest parts. I have touched something on my chin, like black oval something. It is not sliding off my oiliest parts, and it is not kind of feeling tacky anywhere on my smile lines or on my forehead also. Here I have a little bit of texture also. So guys, this is amazing. For around 500 rupees in India, like I think it will be around the price of Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless only when it launches in India. So I really like this, and I really give this foundation and give big thumbs up, and I really like this foundation, guys. It's good. Can't really wait for the summers to end when my skin is less drier. I don't like winters anyways, but for the sake of this foundation only, I will definitely use it more often in my winter time. And I really like the dewy finish. I think this is great for winters for my skin type. And anyways, guys, just gonna end this video. I think you got the answer. And guys, if you like the video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.